Nature's hidden dangers. Most dangerous trees you should never touch. Nature is full of wonders, but amidst its beauty lies certain elements that can pose significant risks to human health and safety. While trees are generally considered beneficial and essential for our ecosystem, there are some species that harbor hidden dangers. From toxic leaves to menacing thorns, these trees can inflict harm upon unsuspecting individuals. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nature's hidden dangers. Join us as we explore the most dangerous trees you should never touch. From toxic sap to excruciating stings, these trees hold secrets that can cause harm. So, let's venture into the wild and uncover the hidden dangers lurking within nature's embrace. (1) Mancinia Tree, Hippomane mancinella. Dubbed as the Tree of Death, the Mancinia tree is native to coastal regions of the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. While its fruit resembles small green apples, consumption is extremely hazardous. The sap and leaves contain a toxic resin, causing severe blistering, burns, and eye damage. Standing under this tree during rainfall is equally perilous, as the water droplets can carry the toxins, leading to skin reactions. (2) Gympie-Gympie Tree, Dendrocnide moroides. Found in the rainforests of Australia, the Gympie-Gympie tree is infamous for its excruciating sting. Even the slightest touch of its broad, heart-shaped leaves releases tiny hairs that contain potent toxins. The resulting sting can cause intense pain that lasts for weeks or even months. The pain is so severe that it has been known to drive animals and humans to madness, and in some cases, even suicide. (3) Sandbox Tree, Hura crepitans. With its imposing size and menacing appearance, the sandbox tree commands respect. Native to South and Central America, this tree possesses explosive fruits that disperse seeds by forcefully bursting open. Standing near an open fruit when it explodes can result in eye or skin injuries, and even hearing damage due to the loud noise. Furthermore, the tree's sap can cause skin irritation and blisters upon contact. (4) Poisonwood Tree, Metopium toxiferum. The poisonwood tree is found in the tropical regions of Florida, Mexico, and the Caribbean. Its sap contains urushiol, the same toxic substance present in poison ivy and poison oak. Contact with the sap can lead to severe skin rashes, itching, and blisters. Even inhaling the smoke from burning poisonwood can cause respiratory problems and eye irritation. (5) African Blackwood, Dalbergia melanoxylon. While African Blackwood is renowned for its valuable timber used in musical instruments, it harbors a hidden danger. The sawdust and wood shavings produced during woodworking can cause allergic reactions in some individuals, leading to skin irritation, respiratory distress, and eye inflammation. Proper protective measures should be taken when handling or working with this tree. As we marvel at the wonders of nature, it is essential to be aware of the potential dangers that exist within it. The trees mentioned above are just a few examples of species that pose significant risks to human health. Whether through toxic sap, thorns, or stinging hairs, these trees demand caution and respect. It is crucial to educate oneself about the local flora and take necessary precautions while exploring unfamiliar environments. Remember, in the great tapestry of nature, there is beauty, but also hidden dangers that should not be underestimated. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey through the most dangerous trees you should never touch. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations and fascinating insights into the world around us. Stay safe, and we'll see you in our next adventure.